Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to compress your PDF file. So reduce file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, so please go to this website because this website will fix everything for you with an PDF. So from here we click on compress PDF and then here click on select PDF file. Then from here we click on, let's say, LVB tekening, and then we can do three things: less compression, recommended compression, or extreme compression. With extreme compression, less quality, high compression. So make sure which one is the best for you. I always do recommended compression. So if I do now compress PDF, you can see that our PDF file got from 1 megabyte to 580 KB. And this is seriously nice, because if I'm downloading the file right now and I open it, there is nothing changed from the quality, and the file is almost twice smaller. So this is exactly how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.